Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by gathering essentials: a photo ID and proof of address, and a passport-style photo ready on your phone. Open the official voter app or site and sign in or create an account. This step links your identity to the application. Once done, tap Start Application and select your constituency or district. Make sure location services are enabled if asked, because the system uses them to suggest local polling places. This quick setup prevents delays later when you submit documents. Now you fill the form carefully. Type your name, date of birth, and address exactly as they appear on your documents. You'll select your constituency and complete eligibility questions. Read each prompt and choose the correct option, because errors can delay approval. Next, upload your ID and proof of address using the app camera, frame documents, avoid glare, and crop edges. Once images upload, review every field and attachment. Corrections here are faster than an appeal later, so take the extra minute to verify. Finish by reviewing the whole application, accepting any declarations, and tapping Submit. Copy the application ID or screenshot the confirmation. You'll get status updates, pending, under review, approved, so check notifications or the portal if you need timing. Once approved, expect a physical voter card mailed within the stated timeframe. You can also download a digital receipt if available. If your application is rejected, don't panic. Read the rejection reason, correct the exact issue, re-upload.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.